WIRC आणि ICSIच्या जोडपालवान ESGचं प्रोडक्ट आणि त्याचे टिकाऊपण या विशयाचेर परिसंवाद जालो. अर्ध्या दिसाचो हो परिसंवाद शुक्रारा पणजी जालो. एक्सपर्टांनी ग्रीन प्रोडक्ट्स आणि ग्रीन बिझनेसाचेर या परिसंवादात माहिती दिली. पळयात.
We have solutions for thermocol, replacement for thermocol, plastic and many other packagings which are conventional but polluting, and we have all eco-friendly packagings or material which is used instead of thermocol and others. Today I am here to talk about green products, green businesses and the compliances of ESG, because nowadays, as Mr. Mangesh Riker said, India is a very big hub for export, and if anybody wants to import from India, any other country, they're looking at ESG. Like earlier they were looking only at financials. Today they are looking at the entire ESG, and if only the companies are ESG compliant, then they prefer to buy from these clients. So being company secretaries, these people would be the right people to understand what the eco-friendly products are, what are ESGs, what are their compliances, and then that is why we are here to talk to them about. I'm sure they all know, but we're talking in more details about certain topics, and that is how we are here today to talk to them.
This is on the newly emerging concept of ESG and sustainability. Now the businesses are changing the way they were operating earlier. So that is how this concept is gaining importance and becoming a hot topic for discussion. We are also privileged today because this is where, we got some industry expert, the society expert from Goa. We are, as an institute and Goa chapter member association, we believe that, industry and the professional, they should work together, understand each other problem, and, see that the solutions for the betterment of businesses are achieved. That is where we are also tying up with the institutions like Goa Institute of Management. We are very happy to mention that Goa Institute of Management has decided to enter into MOU with Institute of Company Secretaries of India. We hope that such MOUs will also be undertaken with organizations like ASSOCHAM. We already have such MOU with Goa Chamber of Commerce. So we are very happy that we are now focusing on programs like this, and the organizations like ASSOCHAM, Goa Chamber of Commerce, Goa Institute of Management, will bring in lot of value for all the stakeholders.
Today, world is looking at India for supply. We are termed as the manufacturing hub, and if we need to promote our exports, then naturally we have to incorporate these new protocols which are introduced through ESG. And I'm sure in the implementation of all this to the industry, the company secretaries as well as the chartered accountants have a great role to play, and they together would enable that the industries carry out the protocols laid down by the various UN as well as other bodies of the international standard, and I'm sure we will come out flying winners in the times to come. And again, I would congratulate and thank the Institute of Company Secretaries Goa chapter for undertaking this program here.